Wow, we couldn't even let him in. So I showed you the chaos. We've just had to walk away now. Out of control.
We just got terrorised, right? We need to talk about this.
It's the only campsite in the UK that allows this.
As Britain baked, the wise and the fortunate sought refuge.
Here, parts of the UK are bracing for possible flash flooding today, with warnings of thunderstorms and torrential rain across much of the country.
Of a scorching summer, one that comes off the back of record low levels of rainfall.
Well, here is the scene in Littlehampton right now, with storms set to continue to pass through during the morning.
Listen to the falling rain, listen to it fall. And with every drop of rain, I can hear you call. Call my name and cry out loud. I can hear above the clouds, and I'm here among the borders. You and I together huddled. Listen to the fall.
Hey, I ain't got my glasses on. Is that the shower gel?
Yeah. Bang on.
Okay.
Old man is snoring. He went to bed from his head.
Feels like a little bit of a pikey site.
Well, when I booked Stanford Hall Caravan Park, I thought it's going to be very posh.
Yeah.
It's far from it, however, there is one hell of a reason why you should all stay. I'm going to tell you that at the end. But I think it's the only campsite in the UK that allows this, and it's pretty unique.
Yeah,
so
it is pretty unique.
Really unique.
Still feel a little bit uneasy. It's not your regular campsite, is it, this?
No, there's a lot of people that are seasonal here.
Right.
So I'm going to put some reviews up now, because people are moaning about the seasonal pitches. So here we go. Just put them up there.
Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain.
That, my love, has got your name all over it. It's a Swift. It's a Conqueror. You like conquering?
You are so cheeky. That is not my caravan.
Looks like you cleaned it this morning. Right, dog walking field.
So this caravan site has got its own dog walking area, and you can let your dogs off. But when you let your dogs off, everyone else has let their dog off, and now we've got a lady frantically trying to get her dogs on the lead to let us in.
She's got 4 of them as well.
She's got 4 of them. Bloody hell! 4 in a motorhome or a caravan. It's a little bit chaos. Let's just go in. Can't get in. This is chaos.
Okay. Is he alright? Not his back. We just got terrorised, right? We need to talk about this for you.
Wow, we couldn't even let him in. So I showed you the chaos. We've just had to walk away now. Out of control.
You can still hear him in the background. That was savage, actually. Nelson got surrounded. I've patted one dog. She said, "Don't touch his back, don't touch his back." Right, we're going to go on a different walk now.
Oh.
I love the old fifth wheels over it, isn't it? Evening.
Hello.
So there's a nice little airstream there. And there we are, somewhere over there. Fucking hell. Right, did he get a toilet?
Yeah, did we? Have you ever tried a Hazlitt loaf? Because we did for the first time last week, and it's bloody gorgeous. It's the inside of a sausage roll without the pastry. Put a bit of English mustard. Oh, loving life.
Yeah, so we're just having tea, and that's it, we're having tea. Nelson's on the sniff. Vinny's got his diet thins.
Got a smoked salmon.
Got some smoked salmon, got some ham, Brussels pate, cheese, and some Hazlitt, some Philadelphia. We enjoy the set, we babe. Right, good night, see you in the morning. Bye.
Bye.
Creepy one. And I bet someone's living in there as well. Good morning. See if we get the drone up in a minute. So this field here is for the dog walkers.
Can I let him off in here?
Yeah, this is all for dogs. That's why I think she panics so much.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was chaos here yesterday.
Yeah, as you saw.
So you said we was going to do the flaps review.
The flaps, yeah, we're going to start doing the flaps review.
So the flaps review.
What is the flaps review then, babe?
F for facilities,
Yep.
really important. Location, atmosphere, pitch, price, and does it get the stamp of approval to come back? So let's start with facilities. You've got to be self-contained, haven't you, in your motorhome here?
Yeah, there's no shower block, there's no toilet block or anything, so totally self-contained. Use your own stuff.
So they say there's a well-stocked shop on site. Well, we went in there yesterday. You could either have a Kipling cake.
Well, no, there was 3 boxes of one of each variety of Kipling cakes.
Milk and orange juice.
And fresh eggs.
And fresh eggs. So don't rely on the shop if you've forgotten dog food like we did. You're not going to get it.
You're not going to get it.
Great dog walking facilities, and you don't actually pay anything for the dogs. Vinny's going to go droning. But this is a great site if you have got dogs, because they don't charge you extra for them, and you've got your own facility to walk them around. But what do you think about everyone else letting their dogs off the lead like what we have, and they're a little bit aggressive or a little bit barky? Not sure about that one. Fly, little bird, fly. Ah, okay. He's forgot to put his SD card in there. Oh, so you're filming nothing, Vin?
Always remember to put your SD card back in your drone after you've downloaded the footage onto your MacBook. He's going, oh, King Kong. Nothing worse when you pick it up and the stick pierces the bag. Fun times. Dogs are great, aren't they?
Just walked all the way back to the van, well, motorhome, and Vinny said, I've got to find my green bag because that's where the SD cards are. Hang on, let's just have a look at him. He had that green bag on him all the time. He is getting a little bit batty. I really think he is. That's because you've got a short-term memory problem. Can you hear me?
Normally behind every good man there's a really good wife that sorts all this out, but no.
Thing is, you've got to have a good man to have a good wife. Maybe we both fail. Apple tree. Take 2. Fly, little bird, fly.
Hold on.
Come on, pilot.
All right.
Home point updated.
Shut up.
Take off. Home point updated.
Stanford Hall Caravan Park is a peaceful rural site nestled in the grounds of the historic Stanford Hall estate in Leicestershire. It's known for its tranquil atmosphere, spacious pitches and friendly management, especially Sharon and Darren, who are often praised by their guests for their warm hospitality. Vinny met Sharon yesterday and he totally agrees, she was super friendly. When we booked Stanford Hall Caravan Park, we expected something quite amazing because it's peaceful, set on a rural site. Stanford Hall Caravan Park, located just 1 mile from the M1, M6 and A14 interchange. They say it's ideal for stopovers or longer stays. And nearby attractions is the NEC Birmingham, Stratford-upon-Avon, Warwick Castle, Silverstone and Old Thorpe House. And we live near Old Thorpe House. Good work, little bird, good work.
Oh, so in there is a forest. Anyway, we got family phone calls, so. Oh, that's it up there. Oh, tree house, look. Oh, lovely.
3, yeah. Yeah, so we're going to have 1 for us, 1 for the office, and then 1 for guests.
And it's a nice guest room as well.
Yeah. Yes, it's lovely.
that oven there, True. I don't know what road that is, but you come down that road. There's Stanford Caravan Park, and here's the entrance. So Claire, where are we today?
So Andrew, we're a shithole.
Whiffy long legs, look.
I can't do one of them kicks.
You've got your Jimmy Cranky shorts on then, no? Yeah, so I really like this site actually. The lady, what's her name, Debbie?
Debbie.
Oh, phenomenal woman. You can tell she's not a warden. She's just so accommodating. It was absolutely lovely. But yeah, quite a rustic, historic part this. A lot of well-established vanlifers, seasonal pictures or whatever. But yeah, peaceful night. It's very quiet here. Stanford Hall just over there. Fantastic dog walking area. What you could want, really. Oh, 3. A is for atmosphere.
She looked like a chicken, baby. Baby, like a chicken, like a kitchen.
P is for pitch.
Yeah, well done. I'm actually going to help you.
I'm recording. There you are, butting in. Yeah, so it's all first come, first serve. We're not actually on like a dedicated. What have I got to read it from that?
Well, I was going to tell you, you've got 123
I've been given a
pitches.
script.
I've given you facts.
Let's see if Vinny can do this as a script. So, pitches and facilities, that has 123 pitches, 70 grass, 56 hardstanding, 30 seasonal, electric hookup on 16 amp, no toilet or showers, units must be self-contained, motorhome service points available. On our pitch we've only got electric, we haven't got any water or hard-standing. There are hard-standing pitches, but we're not on one. Motorhome service points, there's 4 of them, with house and bins and the water and grey water waste. There's an on-site shop, which isn't a shop, is it?
No, we spoke about that, it's hilarious.
Egg and Mr. Kipling cakes, that's about it really. But she's so friendly anyway, and dog friendly. I mean, we just always walk around that field. Have we paid extra for the dog?
No, so we don't pay extra for the dog, but we paid...
Right, here's the phone, I didn't read anything off. No, we haven't paid extra for the dog, but you've got this amazing, what was it, like a little field, designated field for dogs, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you've got woods that you can walk around.
Right, I'm going to have to put the camera back over because she's butting in like a woodpecker, you are.
We paid £30 with electric. It's £25 without electric, an extra £5. I wish we hadn't done electric actually, because we haven't used it. We don't need it. We're one of these fools that seem to pay for all the extra solar panels and batteries and still book an electric hookup.
Yeah.
That's why we're also known as the travelling twats.
As you do.
The pitch is uneven. We've had to chock.
On the maximum chock as well.
What, maximum chock?
Maximum chock, so we've got 3 levels, we're on the maximum. And it's still not straight neither, because the shower has got 2 plug holes in and it seems to go to one of them, gravitate to one of them, so we're still not even straight now, but I'd hoped.
Do you remember we said there was something absolutely unique about this site? No other site like it in the UK. It's pretty phenomenal. So when we turned up yesterday, Vinny spoke to Debbie and he asked her a very simple question. What time do we have to leave tomorrow? What is she saving?
I've got to be off by 8:30 in the morning. You scum. No, she basically said, you go whenever you're ready. You can stay here at 5, 6 o'clock in the evening if you want. Go when you're ready. There's no time to leave. So you can almost get 30 hours for one night here, because we arrived at 10:30.
Yeah.
And we are going to leave. It's 10 to 11 now, so I mean, we probably will be going in the next hour or so. But yeah, we could stay here till 5, 6 o'clock if we wanted to.
And when we arrived at 11 o'clock yesterday, it made such a difference, because most campsites that we seem to book, we can get on around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Half your day's gone then. Well, when we literally got here at 10:30 yesterday, by the time it got to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we felt we'd had a day here already, and normally we'd only just arrive. So for that reason, this is a go-to site. If you want pounds for bucks, for £25, stay as long as you want, pitch up where you like, we'll give it the stamp. However, it is a little bit rustic. You do expect more when it says Stanford Hall. We did. It is a bit uneven. It is very potholey. The seasonality people, they've made their stay.
They're established.
They're established. So, Vinny, would you stay again? Are you giving it a stamp of approval? Would you come back?
I think if you was meeting other vans here and having a bit of a group party, sort of like get together, I think this is a fantastic place. To me, it's a little bit boring. There's not enough going on here.
I'll probably agree with Vinny. If it was a rally, possibly. There is a pub within walking distance. There is Stanford Hall. But the site, it isn't great. However, if you've got dogs, it's perfect. If you want to stay late, it's perfect. If you want it a little bit wild, it's perfect. So we'll let you decide. But as our first flap score, I'm not coming back. Vinny possibly would. We'd come back in a rally. On that note, Vin, say goodbye to everyone.
On that note, bye.
See you next week. Give us a thumbs up. Love you loads. Bye.
People in a shower.